Welcome to WISE, the Worldwide Institute in Seminary Enrollment. Let's start by going to si.lds.org. While there, click on the WISE button and fill in your account username information. When you're logged in, you'll see this screen. Click on the tab that says Classes, find your name, and your class should appear. If it doesn't, make sure the correct term is selected. Now let's put in our attendance. We'll start by clicking the attendance marker, and from there we have a selection of options. We can choose what we need and then click in the appropriate cell. Or you can also right-click on the appropriate cell and a list of options will be presented. We'll select Present. That fills in that cell and any other cell that we click. Now, Hart wasn't there that day, so we'll right-click again on the cell, and this time we'll choose Absent, and the cell will be filled accordingly. We'll continue our attendance by doing that same method. All cells need to be filled in, so if you have a day where you do not have seminary, click on the date, and this window will appear. In this window, you can set all unmarked cells to absent, you can set unmarked cells to present, or, in fitting with our purposes, you can cancel the class session by clicking that button. Then don't forget to save and set, and the class will be removed. Now, when you're finished doing what you need to, make sure to hit Save. When you do, the attendance completed column will update. As you can see, everyone's at 100%, even though Lewis was late. That's not the same as an absence, except for Hart, who, because she missed one day, the system has flagged her attendance because it has fallen below the minimum requirement for completion. Fortunately, Hart has turned in some makeup work. So, let's go ahead and right-click on the absence, select Made Up, and then the cell will be filled accordingly. Then, after we hit Save, the attendance completed will be updated, and magically, everyone is at 100%. At the end of the term, you'll need to go to Gradebook by clicking here. On the Gradebook screen, you can fill in grades. You can mark whether they have completed the minimum requirement for attendance by selecting yes or no. For the learning assessment, by selecting yes or no. And whether they've completed the reading for the term by selecting yes or no. The reading is posted right above. Now, for those who are online teachers or home study teachers, you'll have an additional option in your menu so that you can put in daily assignments. It's called Assignments. You fill in the cells the same way that you did with attendance. This time the options are complete and incomplete. We'll mark these complete, but Maddie was incomplete this day, so we'll right-click and select Incomplete. For any of the cells in Assignments or Attendance, you can put a personalized note. You do so by clicking again on the cell. Then this pop-up window appears. You can now type the note, and then when you're finished, hit the X. Now an icon appears inside the cell showing that there is a note. To read or to edit the note, just click again on the cell. And again, when you're finished, don't forget to save. WISE has lots of tools that can help you. For example, you can print an assignment report, or if you're in the attendance window, you can print a class roll. You can click on the student's name and get more information about their transcripts. And after a busy time of working in WISE, you can even click here and get a massage. Just kidding. WISE is an excellent program to help you fulfill the administrative responsibilities of your calling in seminary and institute. If you have further questions, please contact your support specialist or your coordinator.